Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will show you how to make super soft airy donuts. This donut can be used for breakfast, lunch. You can pack this for your kids' lunch bags. If this is what you want to learn, please stick to the very end of this video and like this video so others can see it. So these are the ingredients I'll be using: all-purpose flour, I'll be using margarine, egg, sugar, salt, yeast, and water. My hands are clean. I'll be using my hand for this. But if you have a stand mixer, you can use a stand mixer for this. I'll also do a video on how I use a stand mixer. So I go in with my yeast, sugar, and salt. So I'm going to go ahead and mix all my dry ingredients. It's very important to mix all your dry ingredients before adding in the wet ingredient. The first wet ingredient I'm adding is egg. I've already mixed the egg, so I'm adding in milk. I'm using milk here, but I showed water in my ingredients list. That's because I wanted you to know that you can either use water or you can use milk. So I prefer to use milk. So if you don't want to use milk, you can as well do it with water. So I'm adding my liquid bit by bit, so I'll go ahead and mix it. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Kindly like this video, subscribe, and join the family. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. I'm adding this liquid bit by bit because some flour takes lots of water while others take little water. So it's important to add your liquid bit by bit so that you get the right consistency for your dough. The ingredients list and the measurements will be in the description box, so please check it out. Thank you. This is a donut dough, so it's not a short cross dough, so you go ahead and really work on the dough very well. Mix it thoroughly, very well. This soft airy donut is a soft dough, so that's why I'm taking my time to mix it till I get the perfect consistency I need for my donut. Now it's time to add in the margarine. So I'm adding in the margarine and I continue kneading. At this point, I'll move it to the work surface and continue kneading. So I'm using my hand so that those that don't have a stand mixer can see how to do it. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can just do like what I'm doing. I will also do a video using the stand mixer, so those that have the stand mixer and probably don't know how to use it will follow and watch the video and know how to use it. So I'm literally kneading this till the dough is not sticky on the floor, on the surface again, and it's perfect. I'll leave it in a bowl, cover it up in a warm place for like an hour 20 minutes depending on the weather. So heat it and let the air bubbles release. I go ahead and start measuring my donut. Measuring your donut helps the donut to come out in uniform sizes. So if you are doing a big donut, you're going to measure 80 grams. Sorry, if you are doing a small donut, you are going to measure 80 grams rather. But if you are doing a big donut, you use 100 grams or 90 grams. So I'm just adding in little by little to make sure I have the perfect grams. So it's time to shape my donuts. Just watch how I'm doing it. So I'm done shaping all my donuts. It's nice, it's beautiful. I'll go ahead and fry. It's important to note that when frying your donuts, you use medium heat so that your donuts will come out perfectly well and not burnt. So once you leave it for a little while, for a few seconds, you go ahead and flip over to the other side so that it will fry properly. And my donut is well fried. Super soft, airy donut. I want to specially thank my returning subscribers. Thank you all for always stopping by. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.